turned out super moist and it's absolutely delicious. So let's try it.
Hi Adorners, let's make a quick and easy fall pumpkin bread. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. Hi Adorners, so welcome back. Today we're whipping up a quick and easy pumpkin bread using a spice cake, pumpkin puree, and I actually decided to add in some raisinets. This is a quick and easy recipe. It doesn't require a lot. We have our pumpkin puree. We're going to take our pumpkin puree, mix it up out of our can very easily. I decided that I wanted to add in, because of the stiffness of the puree, I decided, you know what, let me add in some butter. You can add in butter or margarine, and so that's what I did. Some whipping here. So I decided to go ahead and melt up some margarine really quickly. Let that melt, and I'm going to pour it in. These are some pans, loaf pans that I got at my local Dollar Tree. Quick and easy cleanup. You might ask, where's the cinnamon? Where's the nutmeg? Well, it's all in the cake mix, which is why we have the spice cake mix. Okay, and we pour our spice cake mix in. All right, we're gonna incorporate half of the cake mix it up. All right, mixing it up really quickly. Okay, so I've incorporated half of my spice cake mix, and I'm mixing it, blending it very well. If you have a hand mixer or a mixer, definitely use that as well. Okay, so I'm putting in the rest of my margarine. You can use butter, that's up to you. And I'm going to incorporate and blend. So what I decided to do, this would be a time that you could add in anything that you like, whether that's pecans, whether that's walnuts, raisins, whatever. Today I decided that I wanted to use dark chocolate raisinets because it gives me a little bit of chocolate as well as raisins. So I'm putting that in our batter. I'm going to incorporate that really well. Decided that I thought the batter was a little stiff, so I wanted to add about a 1/4 cup of water and mix in very well. And now it's time for me to go ahead and put our batter into our cake pans. I have some parchment paper that I use for these pans. I used a little bit of that melted butter that was left in the pan, stick my parchment paper to my loaf pans, and so I'm basically going to split this batter in half. So I decided to add in a capful of vanilla and incorporate that just for a little flavor. So I have our loaf pans already ready. I'm splitting our batter in half. So I'm using about half of the batter in one of our pans that I'm lined, of course, with some parchment paper for easy cleanup. Of course, you could just keep these loaf pans and throw them away if you decided to do that, but I might reuse them anyway. So half of our batter in, spreading it all the way to the edges, smoothing it over the top. And then I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the rest of those raisinets, those dark chocolate raisinets that I had, and sprinkle them over the top of each of our loaves to bake and add a little flavor. Sometimes people do this with chocolate chips. I decided I kind of want chocolate and raisins, and so I saw raisinets and I thought, hey, why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone? Okay, so into our oven is going to go at 350 for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, we're going to bake at 350 on 350 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes to 1 hour. And really what you want to do is you want to make sure, if you have a toothpick, you want to insert the toothpick. When it comes out clean, you know that your bread is ready. So about halfway through our baking process, I went ahead to check and see how our bread was doing. It looked really great. And now it's time to take it out. It's been about 50 minutes to an hour. And I'm going to take it out and let it sit for a little bit. So now that we've taken out our loaves and they're ready, we're going to let them sit for about 10 minutes just to make sure that they're nice and firm when we get ready to cut them. And as you can see, we have our chocolate raisinets, our dark chocolate raisinets on our loaves, and they turned out so beautifully. I can't wait to try this. So this was a quick and easy fall pumpkin bread. This is something that you could take to any event or gathering, or you can just make it ahead and have it for breakfast in the morning with a cup of coffee. It's really great. Take it to go. And I really love the way that these came out. If you do try this, let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this now. As you can see, let it sit for a little bit. Let's try it and see how it tastes. But I really, really love this recipe. So simple, so easy, and so very, very wonderful for fall.
It turned out super moist, and it's absolutely delicious. So let's try it.
Oh, that's really good. That's really great. If you were wondering, why didn't she put any cinnamon in it, nutmeg, ginger? It's because the spice cake has it all. Anyway, see you in the next video. Alright, Adorners, so that is our pumpkin bread. Super easy. I hope that you try it. If you do, let me know. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy fall, y'all. See you in the next video.